Anyway, Fuse Location Provider Client is a Google API that combines data from GPS, Wi-Fi, and cell towers to get the best and most efficient location. It's preferred because it saves battery and gives more accurate results than using only GPS. Now let's go to number 4. How do you add a marker on Google Apps? Now you can add marker using this line of code. This one. mmap.add marker, new marker options, and this line of code. This shows a pin or marker at a specific coordinate on the map. This one. This one. Pin or marker. And number 5 is, what is the lat long and what does it represent? So, lat long is a class that represents a geographical point using latitude and longitude values. It tells Google Maps where to place markers or move the camera. So this one is the lat long. Here we declare lat long. And let's go to number 6. How do you move the camera to a specific location? So you can move or animate the maps using mmap animate camera. This one, this line of code. You can move or animate the map's camera. This focuses the map on a chosen location with a specific zoom level. And let's go to number 7. What happens if location permission is denied? So again, I'll show it again to you that if the user denies permission, the app cannot access the device location. So this one. Here, if you go to the my location, if you go here and you did not give permission to the app to access your location, so you should handle this by showing a message or disabling location related features until permission is granted. So you should grant that for your application to access your location. Now, the last but not the least, how do you enable zoom controls on the map? So this one is the zoom control. Now, zoom in and out. So how do you enable the zoom control? So inside on map ready. So let's go to the map ready, on map ready rather. This one, this line of code, this enables zoom controls on the map. So as you can see, we have the on map ready here. The mmap that get UI settings, and close and open parenthesis that set zoom controls enabled. So this line of code, this adds plus and minus buttons to the map for easier zooming. The one that I showed you earlier. This one. This one. So, I guess that would be all for today. I hope you learned something from my discussion. So, see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.